A driver's license restoration appeal costs $4,200 in my office. That's not chump change. It's a substantial investment, but in return you're going to get the best legal representation you possibly can, along with a guarantee that you'll only pay me once and I will get you back on the road. We break that down into 3 payments. We begin with $1,400 down at the first face-to-face meeting. As I noted, that lasts about 3 hours typically. The second payment is due at the time we have everything ready to file. That's usually a couple of months down the road. And the third payment is due before we go for your actual hearing. So 3 payments of $1,400 for a total of $4,200. For returning clients who've won a license appeal already and are now coming back to have a full license after spending a year on a restricted license, we charge 2/3 of what they originally paid. And we also have a separate fee for interlock violations that's on my website. There's a fee for non-clients who hire me and a reduced fee for people who are already clients and hire me for a violation. But a standard Michigan driver's license restoration appeal is $4,200 broken into 3 payments of $1,400 each.